Good morning, students. Once again, I have come here for teaching the chapter number 2 in geography, globes and maps, class 6. Dear students, in previous classes we have described in about directions. I have described in previous classes directions. There are 4 types of directions. First, north, here south, here east, and here west. Whenever you have forgotten the way of the forest, you went in forest but you didn't find out the way of coming outside from the forest, so that's you have to gain the knowledge of direction. In any map, in upper side it is north direction, in downward south direction, and here east direction, and here west direction, so that you can find out easily of any directions. So these are the very important for us of directions uses. Understand? Now, second, conventional symbols, uses of colors. So firstly, conventional symbols, it is a main role of find out the boundaries of any country, find out the where is post office, find out the where is school, like this. It denotes, this symbol denotes the school is here, this is pedestrian, this is railway station, this is a tree, this is many types of this, so that you can understand easily by the help of conventional symbols. So that I am giving example for it. That suppose that if you want to make temple, so that you have to use this type like this. This is temple, this is temple, and if you want to make mosque, so that same process is going on, like this is mosque. Understand? So that's by the help of this conventional symbol you can identify that here is like this river, so that you can find out that here is river, here is mosque, here is temple. So that's it is very important for us conventional symbol. There are many types of roads, metal roads, non-metal roads, and like this you can say metal road is this, metallic metal roads, and like this, and non-metal roads, non-metal road means this is non-metal roads. Understand? So that's if you want to know in about that this figure, so that you have to learn conventional symbols and uses of colors. I am denoting to you that suppose that in shallow water on the map you want to show the shallow water, so you have to use light blue, you have to use the color of light blue. And if you want to show the deep water, so that you can use blue color. Yani like this, dark blue you can use. And if you want to show the mountain areas, so that you have to use brown color. And many types of uses of the colors. Like this, if you want to go in post office, so that you have to see a red collar. In a red collar, a big round of iron shape. So that's you can find out that where is post office, where is police station, where is temple, where is mosque, where is river, so where is metal roads, where is non-metal roads. So that's by the help of diagram, by the help of colors, you can define that uses of colors and uses of conventional symbols. So dear students, and in third stanza I am coming on this topic, sketches. In your small or younger brothers, younger sister is sketching on the rough notebook, and he or she try to do a important things. They wanted to make good things in proper place. So that sketches are very useful to denote a particular place, and these are the roles of colors. Colors is very useful for the sketches and conventional symbol also. But I have described just now that sea water, oceanic water, ocean water, so that you have to use blue color. Okay, so you can justify this type, and these are very, very important for us, and I hope that you have to understand very well globes and maps uses. Am I right? Any problem? You are facing any problem? I hope that is clear. The earth moves around the sun. The earth rotates on his orbit in one day. That's why day and night is being, and in revolutionary process the season change. So that's by the help of globes you can identify what is the role of earth. So that you can say a globe is a specific model of the earth, and map, if you want to understand, so that's by the help of atlas you can understand easily. I hope that if you have atlas, so find out that's Bangladesh, Pakistan, yeah, Indian neighbor countries of India, you can find out from the atlas, and if you are finding out that, it means you have understood that's how can you find out the countries from the atlas. Thank you so much. This lesson has finished, globes and maps. Thank you so much. I hope that you have understood easily. Thank you so much.